This training video will give you an overview of the main screen of Exercise Pro Live. To log in to Exercise Pro Live, go to the Exercise Pro Live homepage, choose the login link, then enter your username and password, and then log in. This will open up the Exercise Pro Live application. I'm going to start at the top left, just slightly to the right of the Exercise Pro Live logo. Here is a clipboard. When BioEx Systems or Exercise Pro Live offers new features or content or has any information that we need to relate to you, the messages will be located here under this clipboard link. To the far right is a list of video tutorials. And typically, your first step will be to add your client or your patient by clicking on the Add Client button. Here you will put in your client's name. You also have the option of adding a client ID or using our auto ID. You can also put in the client's date of birth if you want. And if you intend to send programs by email or text, you will want to put in your client's email, confirm the email, and then enter the client's cell phone. And then when you're finished, click on Save. Your client will then appear on the list in alphabetical order, and at that point you're ready to create an exercise program. See the training video on creating exercise programs for further details on this. Otherwise, other aspects of this main screen are client messages. There is an option to receive messaging and feedback from your patients. When there are messages from your patients, this field will have numbers in it. The second item down below that is the ability to create protocols, as well as modify content or access remote therapeutic monitoring. Under administration are things like general information, where you can set up your preferences and defaults, user information, where you can change and edit your name or email or change your password. Telehealth information allows you to set up parameters for your telehealth. Your facility information, where you can upload your logo. Exercise defaults is where each clinician can set up pre-made defaults for sets and reps and other various parameters. You can also create your indexes here for your protocols. And you can add in stock comments. You can have a cover note that accompanies your email or text when the patient receives their video links. Account information will allow you to edit and update your credit card information, as well as create receipts. User management is where you can add and remove therapists as they come and go. Client rewards allows you to add any client rewards or tangible prizes that you want to give them for performing their home programs when they reach certain levels. And you can also create additional reasons to give extra points to your patients when they do things that have good behavior associated with them. For instance, perfect attendance and things like that. Net Promoter is a small-scale survey tool. And we have a variety of different reports. And we also have some marketing information here as well that you can read in your spare time. This concludes the training tutorial on the main screen overview.